back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how to make coconut vegetable fried rice. Stay tuned. For this recipe I'll be using my homemade coconut milk. Check out my video on how to make coconut milk. I'll start by seasoning my chicken with salt. I'll add stock cube, add thyme, I blended my onion and scotch bonnet, so I'll be adding them. I'll be adding ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger. Mix everything together, then cover and allow to cook. When the chicken have cooked properly, turn off the heat. I'll be using the chicken stock. Wash the rice. After washing the rice, I will sieve and set aside. I'll be adding my homemade coconut milk into a pot. Then I'll add the chicken stock. Add curry powder. Then I'll add the washed rice. I will stir and cover and allow to cook. When my rice have cooked properly, I will turn off the heat. Then I'll preheat a pan. I will add coconut oil into the pan. I will be adding curry powder into the oil. Then I'll start by adding the sliced onion and spring onion. Then I'll allow it to fry for like a minute. Stir to fry. Then I'll be adding the mixed vegetable. You can use fresh mixed vegetable. I'll be stirring. I'll add stock cube and also white pepper powder. Continue stirring to fry. Lastly, I'll be adding the mixed bell peppers. Then I'll be stirring again. I'll be adding some salt. Then I'll continue stirring. I'll be stirring so that everything will mix together. I will stop frying the mixed vegetable because I still want them to be crunchy, so I'll be adding the rice. I will add the cooked rice. I'll continue stir frying. I'll be stirring so that everything will mix or combine together. While stir frying, I will add some salt. Please always remember to taste for salt. Then turn off the heat. The coconut fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching.